I'm in the front room. Here, and Axel is watching Peppa Pig.
You alright?
Alright. Lucy, when you emptied the bag, did you take my phone out? Don't run round with it.
Well done, it's the most.
Yeah, I'll bring it.
You know what? 10 peels. I've been 12, 13, 14, 15.
Got me.
Right, watch what you say.
16, 17, 18. Well done. Most jobs have all done.